because you're on your bike and your hands freeze off because you're driving against, like you're riding against the wind. So your hands, if you have like a little hole in your glove, it's always super cool. I think it was -9 maybe. That was like the coldest I have ever had. And on that day, my class had a brilliant idea of going outside ice skating, so we were freezing that day. So the difference is like huge. You get like, in summer you get like 35 degrees, and then it's minus like 20 maybe it's gonna be, I don't know, in here. And then in Holland it would be maximum maybe 29 degrees something, and then lowest would be like -5. So it's like, it's a lot, the difference is really big. And the sun, like, it's a lot drier, the air here, so it feels a lot warmer here as well. I think that has not happened in Holland in maybe 200 years, 100 years, I don't know. My mom never had snow days. I think my grandma never had snow days. My dad never had snow days. I've been able to go to school every single day unless I was sick. Because it's called ice-free in Dutch, and not snow-free. So it'd be basically, if you cannot ride your bike to school, then you would get ice-free. But the school's not responsible for you getting to school because you're taking, the school does not provide any transportation. If like the snow days we had here, if there was that much snow, we would still be able, we would still be able to go to school. Well, we would still fall off our bikes 5 times, but the school would not be responsible. So I was actually sick the day before, so I was not in school the day before. I woke up and I couldn't sleep because I was so excited. So I started texting my friends in Holland and be like, "Oh my God, I got snow free." And then, what? So what are we supposed to do now? You're gonna go to school in like an hour or something?
Oh, I got a whole free day.
We actually have across from us. My sister's friends live there, and they have like a hill down, so you can sled on that really well. And from my window, you can see them going down. So it was cool. I went out, but I didn't go sleighing though. I went make a snowman. Well, the snow is really good, so it was pretty big for my standards, but I didn't put that much snow in it. It was just for fun.
Someone was saying, "Okay, I'm gonna move over here." What would be the first thing that you said to them?
They're not all fat. Maybe it's just because I'm European and people talk about it, but we don't talk about America at all. And here, it's just maybe it's because I'm in AP Euro and that just makes other people talk about it as well. But I don't know. I have the feeling that people are obsessed with. They want to know how it works in Europe. Ask a lot of questions because people will answer your questions. There are a lot of things that are going to surprise you. Every day I get something that I don't understand. Well, I mean, I've asked most of my "how does this work" questions, and I think I got a pretty good idea about how life works here. So I'm pretty settled. Yeah, my grades have been better because I settled down. So I think this is going to be like it's going to be home for me now. So it's going to be